Hi, welcome to Art Draw. You're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. Today we're going to be drawing Agent Peely from Fortnite. Okay, let's get going. Let's start with the eyes. So Peely's eyes start with a horizontal and then a curve down and up, and then the next eye on the left, horizontal and curve. We're just going to put a little bit of highlight in, it's like an oblong circle, and then fill in. So another oblong circle and then fill in. And we've got Agent Peely's eyes completed. So a little arc to the top here, go straight across. And then another one, we're going to do the top of his head here. So almost like a little pattern area here for the top of the banana. Then we're going to join that up and make another line on the right hand side, join that up. Then he's got a little peely area with banana peel on the side here, so the skin coming off. Then we're just going to join that up. It's the side of his head. Do the other side of his head on the left, join up to the eye. Next we're going to do a little smile. He's got a little smirky smile on his face, Peely has. Nearly completed the head now. Then we move down just one line here, circle in the middle for his bow tie, and another line up, join up his head. We're just going to do the rest of his bow tie, so it's almost like a sweet effect with a wrapper. Two little lines there for his shirt. Okay, let's have a think about the next bit. His hands are going to be around here, so shoulders up here, hands there, hands just below his bow tie. So we've got a thumb area here, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers. Then underneath he's got the rest of his hand, so his thumb's behind that hand. So we've got one finger here, 1, 2, 3, curve it around, finish it off there. So hands right underneath his bow tie area. Then we're going to put 2 areas in for the cuffs of his shirt. Next I'm going to do his shoulder, so a little line here and a little line on the left, and his arm sort of moves out to his elbow, so we're going to finish that arm area off. Next I'm just going to work out, that's the top of his arm, the bottom of his arm comes out and up and around and meets the top of his jacket. Got a little pocket here with a little triangular handkerchief in it. Then the rest of his jacket curves around here. Don't forget it's got that banana-y shape to him. 2 buttons there, join those up on his shirt. Then we're going to just join up the tails of his coat. Okay, great. Now we're going to think about his legs. So it's got quite small legs. Just move him down, bit of a curve here. We'll put his shoe in. There's a bit of a gun holster here. That's joined up, little line there for his trousers. I'm going to join up his trouser there. It's right leg done. Now the left leg, it's going to come down here for the inside of his leg. Move up there on the outer part. And then again, just going to curve around here. Put the bottom of his trouser in, and then just add some shoe area there. Maybe peel his legs. Let's put some pockets on his jacket. So one on the right and one on the left. A couple of rectangles and then rectangles below. Then I'm going to put some flooring in. So he's standing on the ground. And then let's add a little bit of detail. So we've a couple of little scuff marks on the top of his head. And then his jacket as well is sort of like a tweedy jacket. So we're going to show that by putting a few lines in, horizontal and vertical, sort of cross hatch effect. Show off that jacket. We'll also do that because he's got matching trousers as well. Just a little bit more detail at the top, show his peely area. Okay, that's peely done. Let's look at the colour now. So let's get a yellow for the banana. Let's colour that head in. A nice bright yellow I'm using here. And thinking about maybe there's an area in the middle that might have a bit of highlight in. So I'm just going to colour around on the right hand side and leave a little gap. Let's colour a bit more on the left, thinking about the light coming over to the top left of him. Let's colour in that yellow banana. Cool. Just a few little bits there. And his hands are yellow, so I'm going to colour those in. Now it's looking like Peely. There we go, just a little bit of finishing there. Yeah, and then a nice highlighted area of his head. That's great. Let's have a look at a darker yellowy orange colour. We can put some detail and some shading in. So I'm just going to do the edges, the very top of his head, the more shaded area up to the left, and this little peely bit here. Let's colour that in. Come down here where his chin is, and at the bottom of his hands where the shadow might occur. Yep, looks good. Let's use a brown now to just put in a few of the darker areas. So the top of his head, where the banana ends, it's a bit brown. And let's start colouring in his suit. So Peely's got a brown spy suit on today. Now let's just colour that in brown there. I've forgotten to put his jacket collar in, so I'm just going to add that in here. Move up and out. There we go. Can't resist to put a bit more detail in on his bow tie. Let's go back to the brown. So Peely's got a few different types of suits. This one's the brown one. He's got a white suit and a black suit as well. He's rocking the tweed suit here. My personal favourite. Just going to leave a little bit of white on the edge. Again, just to show the highlight. Don't forget to leave a like. Let's just fill in those white areas. Okay, next we're going to use a darker brown, so a little bit by the top of his head again, just add a bit of detail. And then I'm probably going to go just to the edges on the right hand side of all the elements here, colour in those little tweed areas. It's just adding that little area of detail and shading. Just really makes your picture stand out. And on the right here, fill those parts in. Fill the buttons in his jacket. Let's do his trousers. Don't need to do too much, just a little bit of shading is cool. Bit of shadow underneath there where his hands would shade the jacket. A little bit of yellowy orange here for his handkerchief. Okay, let's colour his bow tie in. Nice vibrant red colour. Really makes his clothing pop. And he's got a nice vibrant blue shirt on as well. So let's fill that in. Not going to go right up to the top of his cuff. Just show a little bit of white highlight. Again, it just adds that pop to your picture. Just colour in his collar. And let's colour in just underneath his shirt here. Just going to colour in the ground blue as well. I think that will go nicely with his shirt. Okay, let's use the black, just fill in that little gun area. He's holstering his gun. and shoes as well. And I'm just going to leave a little bit of white to show he's got nice shiny shoes. And that is Agent Peely from Fortnite. Thanks for watching Art Draw.